Hi guys, today I will show you how to make fair wings. Fair wings, because I need to do it for my fairy wings, and I was thinking, oh, why should I can share with you guys how to do the fairy wings transparent. So to get transparent print, I have all sorts of wings printed on transparent paper. So if you want to know, this is transparent paper. You can buy from Amazon, from eBay. It's, as you see here, it's writing transparency paper there, alright? So you need to make sure to buy transparency paper and make sure to not catch anything. Just print it on the printing machine. And that's our thing. So for that we need a wire. So we're gonna start to shape the wing and make sure because I want to be a little bit longer the wire, I'm gonna take that for here, yeah. And after I'm gonna start shaping the like a wing, and after I glue it. So that's so until this glue is dry, I use electric solder to burn the edges. Yeah, you burn the edges like that and give the shape to the wing. It gives you more beautiful shape, but you need to make sure to be very careful because it's very hot, and you make sure you have this because you're gonna put like that if you don't need it, but you need to be very, very careful. So that we're gonna leave for dry. So I like to use for my wings Angelina foils for sometimes. Use Angelina foil on the top because it gives you a little bit the shimmery look of wings. That's why I'm gonna use that. Right position. So I make sure the glue is settled, and I'm gonna use heating gun in a minute. You will see. Very hot. Just be careful. Look at the guy. My dog there. Bobby. Bobby. Oh, you're such a sweet. He always next to me. All my animals, it's always next to me. Now we're gonna do heating gun. When you do heating gun, make sure to press very hard to make sure to Angelina foil be glued properly. But don't do very close, and don't do, oh, you see, it's moving, isn't it? So you have to turn around and the other way to make sure to not lose the Okay, guys, never mind. We're gonna find out something else. That's need to be very, very careful. Really, very careful. Yes. Green color, like green color, and we're gonna do green and some blue.